Hello everyone, I am ready for spring if you can't tell, trying to embrace some spring colors. And today we're going to do some Easter crafting, cooking, and also decorating. So I hope you love this video. My girls are super excited to do the DIY projects, aren't ya? So that's what we're gonna do first. So this first one, we have a pot, and then a bunny. And Evie's got her bunny. And then some grass, and you can put some eggs in there too.
But first you gotta hot glue.
Oh yeah, first we're gonna hot glue the tails, so they don't have much for tails. So we bought some cotton balls there, and we'll glue the bunny so they have some tails. The reason why I cared about the tails is I'll show you my inspiration for this from Pinterest, and their bunny tails are a lot better than our bunny tails. So if we want to put them upside down in the pots, they need better tails, right? Would you agree?
They're diving to get the carrot. Yay, I want a carrot.
Yep, they're diving in the pot to get the carrot, just like Peter Cottontail would. So,
and it's like he's hiding under it, then he does it, then he hides another one.
That is part of the story, isn't it? And if you're interested in where we got all of our stuff, we got it from Dollar General for super cheap, if you can't tell. This is like $2. The Easter bunny was $3, and then we got these eggs for $1. So, should we get crafting?
Yeah!
Okay, Camille, let's see that bunny tail.
Come on.
He has a bunny tail now, doesn't he?
Like Tootsies.
Okay, Eve.
I need that.
You think you need one more egg? So Evie's, we did the butt hanging up, right? So he's like diving in there. There's the finished look of that one.
Okay.
And then Camille's over here busy cutting, aren't you? She doesn't like the length of the green, but I think you should leave some long though, okay, hun? But Camille wanted hers to be sitting up more. So tell us what you think. You like these or not, or what ways can we do to improve them? I was thinking about maybe painting the bottom white, but then I kind of liked the color that it currently was. Camille, I think that's probably enough cutting. I don't think you need to do any more cutting. So, but we're gonna maybe put them by the fireplace is what I was thinking. So we'll see how they look. So the girls figured out where they want to put it, but this might be a mistake because you're playing with all the green grass, right? We leave the green grass in with the bunny, but I do like how this ended up looking with the color of our fireplace. What do you guys think?
Good.
Good. They're fun, aren't they? Are you guys going to play with them?
Yeah.
That's probably what's going to happen, huh? Oh, don't pull his tail off. Don't break his tail, Eve. For our next DIY project, all you need is some ribbon or string and then some eggs, and we're going to make a garland out of this. You could also use felt eggs if you wanted to, or even just, you know, trace some paper eggs with cookie cutters or paper bunnies with cookie cutters. But yeah, let's get making, right? We got that green all over, turning into the Grinch.
Look at our new fireplace.
Your sister already switched around the bunnies, didn't she?
Yeah.
They might be kind of like half toy, half decor. In addition to our DIYs, I also wanted to add a little bit more Easter and spring throughout the house to make it a fun place for our family. So I have a few hints of Easter, but I didn't want it to be like overwhelmed. Like Christmas, I kind of go all out for decorating, but for fall and spring, I just like a little hints. So I'll show you what I have. First off, when you come inside the door, you see these 3 little bunnies, and I wanted to keep it just really neutral and plain and white, but also give that Easter spring feeling. In the kitchen, I simply added a couple of dish towels. I like the way 2 dish towels look instead of 1, even though, you know, there is the odd number rule. Like with the Easter bunnies, I have 3 Easter bunnies there because usually odd numbers look best. I guess it would look good probably with 3 dish towels, but I like how 2 looks better than 1 even. And I think dish towels are an easy way just to add a little pop of whatever season it is within your house. And then the final thing I was going to show is my cute little rabbit. I love it, that my mom gave me a while ago, along with a picture of the girls with the Easter bunny. We did this last year, and I would love to keep doing it every year, and every year just seeing how much the girls have changed each Easter. Plus, isn't the frame, you know, so adorable? We did that at the mall when they have the Easter bunny come to the mall. And then, of course, so you can have the odd number rule, so there's 3 things. Decorating always looks better with odd numbers. I added a candle here. So now it's time for our next segment, which is
Carrot cupcake.
carrot cupcakes. We're going to make carrot cupcakes and then also a drink, a peep milkshake, right? So they're both Easter themed. First, we're going to start with the carrot cupcakes. What you start out with is just you make cupcakes, and we're just using from a box. It could be fun to do carrot cake cupcakes, but my kids don't really like carrot cake that much, so instead we're just going to do white. And yeah, if you have like a recipe for cupcakes that you love, especially carrot cupcakes, that would be really good. But we're just going to make it from a box today to save a little time. I just wanted to take a moment to show you how cute these little cupcake holders are. I think we got them last year at Target. We've had them for an entire year now. And look how good the girls are doing at making their cupcakes. Evie's even putting hers in the right containers, aren't you, Eve?
I'm doing great.
You are doing great. Now we're going to start working on the carrot part of the cupcakes, and for that you'll need some white chocolate, orange food coloring to turn the chocolate orange, and then strawberries. Now the girls are going to work on turning the chocolate orange. So Camille, you want to put a few drips in there? Put a few drips in there and then stir it around. When it comes to the strawberries, you probably often don't pay attention, to the green part. But with this, you want to make sure your strawberries have really good green parts, because that's going to be the part sticking out for the carrot. So now what we're doing is we're taking the strawberries and we're putting them, if you can see, in the orange. Yep, you've got to make sure that you get it all orange, guys, okay?
That's the green part.
Yep, except the green part. That's right. You don't want the green part. So I finished with the strawberry carrots, and they were a little bit more difficult than I anticipated, but some of them aren't too bad, like this one right here. Kind of cute, right? Next up, we're gonna put some frosting on top of the cupcakes, and then we'll put the carrots on top of that. We can also add a few sprinkles if you would like. Now the debate is, for the frosting, Camille says we should just stick with the white frosting, but I thought it might be fun to put some green frosting on some of them, because then it would be like grass and then the carrots on top. So maybe we'll do some white and some green. Here's a look at our finished cupcakes, and yeah, some of them I think turned out pretty good. Hopefully that looks like a carrot. If we were a little bit more skilled girls, we could have done better maybe, right? If mommy was a little bit more skilled at cupcake making. But I think they have a lot of potential, and right, they're cute. Yeah, right? What? Nobody's supporting mommies? Yeah, I think they're cute. Let us know what you think. Comment down below. So what's our last thing we're gonna do?
Make milkshakes.
And not only milkshakes, what type?
Milkshakes.
Yay! So hopefully this is a lot easier than the cupcakes, but what it requires is 1.5 cups milk, 3 cups vanilla ice cream, a 1/2 cup marshmallow cream, and then Peeps. You know, you wanna put a couple Peeps in the milkshake and then more Peeps for garnish. Talking about garnish, you can also add whipped cream and sprinkles. So here we go. So the first step, guys, is we're gonna add 1.5 cups milk in the blender, okay? Next is ice cream. Okay, you want to do the, you want to go put this back in the fridge, Camille? Thank you. And we'll do 3 cups of vanilla ice cream. Now we'll add the marshmallow cream. You have the marshmallow cream? Oh, right here. We decided to add one additional ingredient, didn't we, Camille? What is it?
Pink food coloring.
Make it pink, right? Here we go. So how cute are these? I think we did good, right? Mm-hmm. Did we do good? Yeah. So we'll see how they taste now. Evie's got a lot more whipped cream on hers. And Camille didn't want as much whipped cream. And she has a little bird for a peep one. Okay, ready, girls?
Yeah.
Bottoms up. See what you think. Ooh.
Good.
How is it?
Very good.
Good? Evie?
Yeah. Good.
Is it hard to get? Yeah, good. Thanks so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. And I would also like to hear from you what types of videos I should do. Do you like the decorating ones, the cleaning ones, the more homemaking ones, or the diet ones? Also, I would really appreciate it if you gave this video a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified of future videos. Thanks again for watching, and happy Easter, everyone.